Hey lovers, welcome back to another interesting video. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, my name is youuuuuuu. I'm a YouTuber based in Ibadan, Nigeria. I create content on travel, culture, food and vlogs. Today I will be showing you the wonderful preservation of heritage and culture in Nigeria. Without wasting your time lovers, let's get into the video. So welcome back guys. Today we are at the Blacksmith compound at Bere Ibadan to see the act or the job of our forefathers, which was blacksmith. Before civilization came in, our forefathers used to be farmers, hunters, warriors, fishermen. And for this job, our forefathers needed tools. For farming, they need cutlass, hoe, and so many stuffs. And for warriors, they needed tools. This is the jobs of the blacksmithing in Yoruba land. They made tools, weapon for our farmers and hunters. Blacksmith is a work of a strong man because you will always have to be in the heat and you have to use metals to straighten metals that has been in the fire. These men are doing a very great job, and this made me to realize how strong our forefathers were, making things out of their own hands without technology or science, just man and his environment. So come with me guys, let's interview these great men, why they choose to, hold on to this job despite we are in the 21st century, why they decide to hold on this job, and even if this job is even more profitable for them. Come with me guys, let's go. Sir, ẹ jọ ṣé kinní tẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn ṣé òun ló jẹ́ kí náà yóò tún mọ̀ ọ́n ṣe. Ok, atẹ́gùn bí atẹ́gùn ló ṣe bí àgbẹ̀. So guys, we had our conversation in Yoruba language, which I will be subtitling it right here. I went ahead to ask him that what is the essence or the usefulness of this thing right here he is holding, and he said is to give the light, like to keep the light pumping up, that this thing is applying air to the light to keep it burning. And here are some irons in the fire right now, as you can see here. And I went ahead again to ask that why are they putting this iron to the light, and he said it's to soften the iron a little bit for them to handle. Okay, ó ti yé mi bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé mo lè béèrè àwọn ìbéèrè kan lọ́wọ́ yín? Kí ló dé tí ẹ ṣe yan iṣẹ́ yìí láàyò pẹ̀lú ẹgbà tí a mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tí àwọn babaláwa ṣe láyé ìgbà yẹn nìyẹn? So ìsìn tí civilization ti dé pé so kí ló dé tẹ́ ṣì fi dúró lórí ẹ̀ pé òun náà ṣì lẹ̀ ń ṣì ń ṣe? I went ahead to ask one of the men here, the man here, that why do they choose this work as a job, with their age. And technology right now, civilization has come. No one is interested in this kind of hard laboring business again, or work, I would say. And according to him, he said it's a skill that he learned from his father. So it's just like a family business to him. And all the men I met there, they are all from the same father. So it's just like a family business for them. And again, no children or no youth want to learn this job because it actually requires so much strength. Like you guys can see in this video, requires so much stress. And youth of nowadays, they are not ready to give that labor. Like, we are not just ready to put ourselves in all this stress. Yeah, he said youth of nowadays, we are not ready to learn, and he understands that. He understands it a lot. Yeah, some of their children, helping them in some things. Yeah, yeah, some finished products. The camera is not there. Yeah, yeah, some finished products. Guys, these people are really, really trying. Like, really, really trying. So, I went ahead to ask about his health. Like, as you can see, this job requires so much strength. That does he even have the strength to do it? And is the job not affecting him in one way or the other? Which he said no, that he even enjoy doing it because when old age comes, it comes with some sickness. But the fact that he's active doing these things, that he doesn't, like, he doesn't feel somehow shy. And again, this is something he's been doing since his like young age. It's part of him, so he enjoys doing it, that he is fine. But if eventually he's going to leave it one day, but he has children who knows how to do it and that can take over for him. And yeah, we just had this beautiful conversation. Kò séèyàn tó fẹ́ ṣe àwọn iṣẹ́ agbára tó báyìí. Èyí tẹ̀dẹ̀ tí wà ní díẹ̀ ó ti pẹ́ gan. Iṣẹ́ agbára yìí sì wà síbẹ̀. Torí mo rí tí dáàdì yìí tí wọ́n bó ṣe tó gùn. Kò sí ìwà ọtí lórí òògùn. Iṣẹ́ tó bá ti jẹ́ iṣẹ́ ọjọ́ pé máa ń bá wà lèyìn nílò. Kò sí àtúntò ààrẹ àtúmọ̀ get if tó bá ti achieve tó bá ti di prepare for your future. Ìyẹn tó bá 30%, ìyẹn lè máa tà fún ìyẹn ní ìlú náà. Ìyẹn ló tàwọn àdájú tó náà kò yẹn sì lè wọ́n bá tètè gbàdúrà èèyàn náà tó gbàdúrà ọkùnrin rẹ̀ àti àwọn nǹkan mẹ́wàá téèyàn náà lè ti dúró nílẹ̀ ní business tí a máa fẹ́ ṣe ní owó ṣùgbọ́n ó ní ọdún orí àti pé tó tẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìjọba gan tí ò ní mọ́lẹ̀ ní tí ọ̀dọ́jọ́ tí ó fi rìtáyà dípò ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń kàwé irú àwọn méjì wa kan wà tá a jọ jáde kò ti ṣátàdì ṣe ṣátàdà kàkà tó bá wa nù àwa ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé ètò mo wá fẹ́ bèrè pé ṣówó dẹ̀ wà níbi kínní torí ìsìnkú mi ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé àwọn èèyàn ṣe iṣẹ́ oko mọ́ so bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ oko mọ́ yìí wọ́n ṣe ṣówó dẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. I just asked him if this job is actually profitable for him, because I don't really think people are into agriculture or hunting again, which he made mention of. People are really into agriculture, that if people are not buying, that they won't be there working, that it's actually profitable. They are the manufacturers. People come around to get, like, a customer can demand for like 200,000 products from them, and Yeah, he said it's okay that it's profitable, guys. See how this man is beating in, like, can you just see the sun from the video? Like, can you see that? Oh my gosh. Can you see that when I say this job requires so much strength? I'm not lying, guys. Yeah, so he said the business is profitable and he has 3 children in the university that he is sponsoring through this business, which he really appreciates and enjoy doing it. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So ó tún ní nǹkan tí wọ́n kọ́ wa ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ wa pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwa Yorùbá pé tí èèyàn bá wà láàárín ibi tó ti ń ṣàgbẹ̀dẹ pé ṣé mo pé iṣẹ́ ògùn lélẹ̀ pé so tó máa ń rán ògùn sí èèyàn pé kíní yẹn ò lè wọlé torí àárín ibi tí ṣé kìí ṣe ògùn Ṣàngó ni ókè but ní àkókò yẹn tó bá bọ́ta kíní ẹ̀ sì máa mú Guys, this part is actually funny. As you heard me earlier, I was asking them this question I heard from someone, not from school, but I told them that I learned it from school, but it's not actually from school. A friend of mine told me this, which I asked them. It's just a Yoruba culture and a Yoruba belief of a thing. So I don't know how to explain it better. I don't want to mislead you or tell you the wrong information, but it was confirmed that it's true. That's just it. So àwọn tó wà ń ta yẹn ṣé bíbá iná tí máa ń rà ní àbí. Wọ́n máa ń rà bí wọ́n rajà mí náà tàbí kó rájà tó pọ̀ lọ́dọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ṣé iná lè máa ń ṣàdá? Àwọn àlọ́ àdá. So yeah, some finished product of what they've been doing since morning, according to them. Yeah, I think this thing is called Aruko or something. I don't know the name, but if I get to know the name, I'll put it on the screen. But it's used by the traditionalist. Yeah. And yeah, some of their children, because it was, I think, in the afternoon or evening, so some of them were back from school. They were there helping their parents, as you can see. Guys, this place was so hot. I don't know if I've made mention of that, but it was extremely hot. I tried asking them that. I did not even feeling the heat. And guys, all of them scream like they are they said they are feeling the heat, but they have no choice. They have to do what they have to do. Money doesn't come easily. So, and they are used to it. But as for me as a visitor there, I was not used to it. I'm not used to it rather. So I was just doing it, So I was just there because of content, but the heat was massive. And see this old man, guys. It's only passion that can make someone to do that at that age, doing this heavy job. Yeah, this is me showing my face, letting you guys to know that I did here, na me, Guys, again, who sent me to do this thing? Like, I no get power. I just wanted to show myself that ọmọ ìbílẹ̀ ni mí. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. That ìbílẹ̀ ni mí o, mi kì í ṣe àjẹbọ o. So yeah, we come to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed, please consider to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. I love you. Mwah.